Okay, so we're done with the fuel pump relay test. We got the Durametric hooked up now. We have the green light, so that's a good sign. Engine is cold, have not turned it on yet. Here's our setup. The next thing you guys see will be just this screen, if everything works correctly, because I downloaded some screen capturing software, and you guys can see it's already picking up the audio in the lower right hand corner. And hopefully, if everything goes right, I just taught myself this software this morning, you'll be able to actually see the Durametric readings much more clearly than when you try to do it with a camera. So I'm trying to learn how to improve the quality of these presentations. So the next thing you see will just be the screen. Look it up. Let me start the car because I want to try and catch the misfires at a cold start. The engine's cold right now, so let me start the engine. Okay, let me see if it's still connected. Yes, it is. And that's what I want. So now I'm going to go down and I'm going to try to find the misfire section, which is here. Here, 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 and here. And we have one misfire already on 6. Which was not there yesterday. So that just happened just now. There's another one. There's another one. There's the 2 and 3. I mean, 2 and 3. 3 and 6. They're just missing like crazy. And this is a cold startup. So that's consistently on the ones that are at the end of both banks. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, 5, and 6. So 4 and 3 and 6 at the end of that fuel rail are misfiring. Okay, so that's what I wanted to see. Okay, so now I'm going to see if I can get in here and go back to some live data and establish some connection, RPM. Okay, so now the engine's warm, and I want to go down and see if I still have misfires. Did I go too far? Wait. I don't think I did. I think I might have went too far. Oh, shoot. Let's see here. Okay, so here, no, that's rough. Well, let's see. Rough idle. Let's look at that real quick. Okay, so now that it's warmed up, there seems to be no rough idle, so which would probably suggest that there's no misfires either. So let's go on up. Let's wait for I think I passed it. Misfires. Here we go. So let's look at these now. With the engine warm, and let's look at all the cylinders. And the misfires that we are experiencing are 0. So just like everybody suggested, the misfires are taking place at initial startup when the engine is cold and the mass airflow meter is hooked up. That's the inside joke. For those who don't know, I had forgotten to hook up my mass airflow meter, and all of the misfires went away, but that's because the math was not connected, and when the math is not connected, it defaults to another map that's on the ECU. So now you know too. But anyway, so that's it for this. Gonna get this data log to DJ Marksky Tuning, see if he has any insights. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna do some fuel pressure tests, but I don't think there's any fuel pressure issues because it runs fine, it pulls fine, and I don't know. This is a tricky one. Alright guys, that's it for this. Thanks for watching.